In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Dropbox to Claude Cowork. It's important to know right from the start that there isn't a direct one-click Dropbox sync built into Claude Cowork. So if you want to use a file from Dropbox inside Claude, the easiest method is to download the file from Dropbox first and then upload it manually into Claude. This works well for common file types like PDFs, Word documents, and other supported files. To begin, open Dropbox in your browser or app and sign into your account. Once you're in, browse through your folders and locate the file you want to use with Claude. Take a moment here to make sure you're choosing the correct version of the file, especially if you have similar file names or multiple drafts saved in Dropbox. This can help avoid uploading the wrong document later. After you've found the file, click on it and look for the download option. Select Download, then save the file somewhere easy to find on your computer, such as your Downloads folder or desktop. If you work with a lot of files, it can also help to quickly rename the file before uploading, so it's easier to recognize once it appears inside Claude. The main goal of this step is simply to get the Dropbox file onto your device, because Claude needs access to a local copy in order to upload it. Once the file has finished downloading, open Claude, either in the web version or the app, depending on what you normally use. From there, start a new chat or open your Workspace in Claude Cowork where you want to use the file. This is where you'll bring the document into your conversation so Claude can analyze it, summarize it, or help you work with its contents. Next, click the Attach or Upload File option. A file picker window will open, and you'll need to navigate to the location where you saved the file from Dropbox. Select the file and confirm the upload. After that, wait for the upload to finish completely before sending any prompts. If the file is large, this may take a few extra seconds, so give it a moment to process. Once the upload is complete, your Dropbox file is now available inside Claude Cowork, and you can start working with it right away. That's the simplest and most reliable way to connect Dropbox to Claude when a direct built-in sync isn't available.